Welcome back to Dad Deals. I hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I am back with the top things you should be buying over at Harbor Freight in January 2025. Some new coupons just dropped for the new year, as well as some new items in the store. So sit back, relax, I'll break it all down for you, and let's check out the top things at Harbor Freight for this month. As always, if you find the video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. So first up are those mini steel toolboxes that we saw were such a huge hit over on Black Friday for $10. Unfortunately, they are no longer $10. They're the normal price of $18, but they are back in stock. I've seen them a few times over at my local store. So if you've been on the hunt for them, definitely check out your store. They're starting to get that stock back. $18 is still a pretty good price for this, but really that sweet spot deal is going to be when they're going to run those 30% off anything $20 and under for the ITC members that they just ran last weekend. But that's really going to be your best time to get the best deal on this item, unless you have a single item coupon for maybe 25% off, something like that. But I've loved mine. I've printed this Gridfinity 3D printed storage system. That's been really cool for it. And I've used it a lot for storing my kids' hammers and tools when we do little projects together in the garage. But there's a bunch of uses for these things, and I definitely expect Harbor Freight to keep making them and keep making them in different colors. The other new item that just hit stores, this was revealed during SEMA, but here is the Predator Power Station. These are nothing new. I've reviewed a bunch on this channel from brands like Blue Eddy and EcoFlow, but it is great seeing Harbor Freight throwing their hat in the ring on these. These are under the Predator brand, which makes a ton of sense. It's under that same brand as their very popular generators. This is a decent price at $200. I like to compare it to EcoFlow's new River 3. I think they're trying to compete on the same price level with the same amount of power. You can see here that River 3 has a 300 watt output. It can boost up to 600 watts, but you're getting two AC outlets as well as two USB-A ports and a USB-C port, where the Predator Power Station is going to have a 350 running watt rating with a 294 watt hour capacity. So really about the same. You're getting two AC ports, both with the grounding plug, which is a little bit different than the River 3, but you're getting those two USB-A ports and one USB-C port, just like that EcoFlow. The River 3 is a little bit cheaper at $180, but the two biggest things that I think make the River 3 a better buy right now is that this has the 1 hour fast charging, which is awesome. You can really quickly charge this unit, where your Predator can only charge in 2 hours, so double the time. And to me, the absolute killer feature and the thing that Harbor Freight really needs to add is app control for these devices. That's really one of the best features when it comes to the EcoFlow and Blue Eddy units. You can turn them on and off via the app and via Bluetooth too, so you don't need to be in Wi-Fi range, but you can control all the settings, you can monitor things right from your phone, and I don't see anywhere where this Predator version does that. So it's great to see Harbor Freight making these. The more competition, the better. I hope they keep improving them. But as of right now, I think I would go with the other brands and kind of hold off on this first generation unit. So now let's get on to the coupons. This is the after Christmas sale. This goes through January 9th. Here I have the Pittsburgh 3-piece curved jaw locking plier set for $8. Comes with the nice comfort grip handles. You have the Quinn 14-in-1 painter's tool. I have this, it worked great. I can't say I've used all 14 functions or even really know if they all are, but this is a very solid one of these multi-tools. Mainly use it for paint scraping, cleaning paint brushes, smoothing out spackling, things like that, but it's just $4. They also have some of the big mechanics tool sets from Pittsburgh on sale. Here is the 301-piece set for $170, as well as the 130-piece set for $30. With the popularity of these Icon hand tools exploding recently, they also have complete sets of these items where you can save a lot of money. These are online exclusives. They're currently unavailable. They sold out super quickly, but I expect these to return shortly. Here is the Technician set. This is a 251-piece set. It's $800, so you're saving $420 versus buying everything at retail price. And then they have the absolutely massive 382-piece Core Master set. That's going to save you $1,000 versus buying everything individually. So definitely check these out if you're interested. If you need to do a whole new complete build out of your hand tools, this would definitely be the way to go. I really think this is an awesome set that Harbor Freight's offering as this Icon line just grows and grows and grows and gets better and better. Back to the coupons, they have the Pittsburgh Wobble Socket Extension Set, a 9-piece set. Can really help you get those sockets in hard to reach areas and weird angles. This is just $10. If you got a new flat screen TV for Christmas this year, check out this 37-inch to 70-inch tilt TV mount for just $15. It's a great price. This is not for sale, but I'm absolutely obsessed with this thing. I know I'm late to the game with these, but these are the self-adjusting wire strippers. I don't know why it's taken me so long to get a pair of these, but once you try these out, you will never go back to the traditional wire strippers. These are just $10 over at Harbor Freight, and they are worth every penny. I'm just always so amazed at how perfectly this strips wires, no matter what the size, and just a quick squeeze. Now on to some of the new coupons. These are the New Year's coupons. Here is the Merlin 5-in-1 safety coupler for $9. This is designed to prevent the blowback if it's under high pressure, and it can accept pretty much any 1/4-inch series connector out there. Some nice cheap dollar items. Here is the funnel set, a 4-piece set for just $1.99. A nice price on a hitch. This has your different vertical adjustment points, as well as 2 sizes of that ball, the 2-inch or 2 5/16. So this should have you covered in a lot of different scenarios. Here's an OBD2 scanner. I really prefer these ones that are handheld units that don't connect to your phone. It's just an annoying connection. I like just plugging it in, seeing this on the display, and getting that quick reading, but this is just $40. It's also that time of year to really maintain your batteries, especially if you have something like a riding lawnmower or a car that you don't really use very often. I know when I got my riding lawnmower out for the season this past spring, the battery was completely dead, and I really should have used one of these battery maintainers. But this is just $7, so a pretty cheap way to make sure that your battery is good to go next season. They also have this version that's an onboard style, so you don't have to really disconnect the battery. You can just hook this up one time and then plug it in when you need it. This is $15 under the Viking brand at 40% off. Sort of a rare sale here is the portable pipe threader from Bauer. I really rarely ever see this go on sale, but this is $60 off right now at $310. You also have the Pittsburgh tool set here, a 53-piece set. Kind of a good set to keep in your car. Has a couple basic socket sets and wrenches and Allen keys, stuff like that for $15. Here's the Icon Long Reach Pistol Grip Needle Nose Pliers for just $15, 25% off. And then the Quinn half-inch drive extendable breaker bar is $25. So a nice deal there. I love these heat shrink butt connectors. Here's a 30-piece set. These are great for doing any boat or car electronics, hooking up lights, things like that. These are so easy to use. It's just $7 for this 30-piece set. Another item you should keep in your car. Here is the tire repair kit. Can really get you out of a bind if you ever need it. If AAA is taking a long time to get to you, you can just do it yourself. This is just $4. They also have these circular padlocks for just $5 on sale, and stubby claw hammers for $3. I love these permanent markers. They're such a great deal. A 2-pack for just $1.50. Really can't go wrong there. They work just as good to me as those Milwaukee ink saws, things like that. I always have to mention it. Here is the heat gun at just $10. Your Harbor Freight staple item here. Some microfiber cloths. You can often get these free, but hey, if you need them, 99 cents. You really can't go wrong there. 75% off for a 4-pack. You have some mini spring clamps, a 6-piece set for just $1 as well. Bauer Hook and Loop sanding disc is a 5-pack for just $3. These can get really expensive other places like Lowe's and Home Depot. So getting these for this cheap is always nice, especially if you go through them a lot. Also from Bauer, they have their rotary toolkit. This is the corded version, but it's on sale for $20. Comes with a little accessory kit as well. I know it's pretty cold out there, but here is the Grant's compact detailing seat. Has nice little removable bins, and this is on sale for $55. Here's a level for $5. Can't go wrong there. If you need to organize a shed, I picked up this a while ago. This is just $10. It really is cheaply made, but it gets the job done and can really help you get those shovels and rakes, things like that, off the floor and save you some space in your shed or garage. These next deals are the Inside Track Club. Do keep in mind that these do expire today on January 2nd. So this is your last chance for these coupons before a new batch gets out there. So if you see anything, I'll kind of highlight the things that I think are worth checking out. But if you see any of this stuff, definitely get to your store quickly, as it will be a higher price after today. But here we have the paint kit. This is the Avanti Premium. They sort of have a good, better, best system. This is their best stuff. And it's a 9-piece set for just $10. They also have the Pittsburgh ratcheting combination wrench set. You can get it in either standard or metric for $20. They have the Grant's handheld steam cleaner. I did a whole review on this. This is really great for getting those tough stains out of things. It is on sale for $30. You also have the Icon knife. It's a really nice knife. I think for $30, it's absolutely worth it. Has a great action to it, but that's 25% off the normal price. Here's kind of a unique item, sort of an emergency ladder, a telescoping ladder that can reach 14 feet, but it actually can fold enough to fit in a car. But this is on sale for $130 for ITC members. You also have that new Hercules 20-volt dual bevel sliding miter saw. It's on sale for $300. They've also updated their tire inflator. This is on sale for $36. It does use dual power, which is, I always love seeing that. So this can run either via AC plug or car plug and will be great for an emergency situation in your car or on the go. They also have some U.S. General cabinets on sale. Here is the 6-door full bank cart for $500. Most of these are about $100 off the normal price. They have the in lockers for also $100 off at $300. And your 4-drawer tech carts are $150, so $80 off, almost $100 off. And then one last item here, some of the Bauer modular tool system storage boxes are on sale. Here is the top organizer. It is $28. So that's it. Those are all the things for this month, January 2025. Again, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.